Hi everyone, Louis from Specify here. So today I'm going to show you how you can synchronize design tokens and assets from several Specify repositories to a single GitHub repository. So it could be useful if you have a mono repo on GitHub, or if you, like me, have a light theme, a dark theme, and a general Specify repository that contains data that is common to your themes. So let's do it. So basically, we provide you a GitHub repository that you can fork so that it's easier for you to get started. And this GitHub repository will contain a GitHub Action that I will walk you through right now. So we need to use a GitHub Action for a good reason. By default, you can synchronize design data from Specify to GitHub using a native GitHub Specify GitHub application. However, this integration can only work with a single Specify configuration file, and a Specify configuration file can only target a single Specify repository. So if we want to target several Specify repositories, we need to use the Specify CLI inside a GitHub Action. So this GitHub Action will execute itself automatically every 4 hours of every day, and it's composed of several steps. The first one is we install the Specify CLI, and the second one is basically we will repeat 3 times a pull command that will pull design tokens and assets from a Specify repository. So here we target the Specify repository. We provide the path of our Specify configuration file targeting made for this Specify repository, and then we provide a personal access token. So this is basically the same command applied 3 times, and each time we provide a different Specify repository and a different Specify configuration file. And as you can see here, we are requesting a Specify token variable that will contain our Specify personal access token, and we will set this in our GitHub repository settings. So let's do this. I'm going to fork this Specify repository, and once this is done, I have to do several things. So first of all, I need to generate a Specify personal access token. So let's go to Specify in our user settings, and let's generate a personal access token. Let's copy it, and let's go in the settings and in the secrets page. And now let's create a new repository secret, and this repository secret will be called Specify token. We add this, and now we go in the actions panel, and we have to do 2 things. The first thing is we have to enable workflows in this Specify repository, in this GitHub repository, sorry. And then you see that we have our workflow that is called update design tokens, and this workflow also have to be enabled here. And now we can manually run it. We can manually run it thanks to a property here. Thanks to this line here, workflow dispatch is a way that GitHub provides us to manually execute a workflow instead of waiting for hours like it's scheduled here. So let's run with this workflow. So this workflow is being ran right now, and let's take a look at it. So as you can see, first it will install the Specify CLI, then it will run the CLI against all of our Specify configuration files. And as you can see here, everything is being synced, and a pull request has been created. And now as you can see, a new pull request was opened by specify, containing many different files, all coming from our different specify repositories. So our font files have been converted, renamed in specific in this folder. We also have our dark theme colors and our light theme colors. So these files are named this way and contains these colors because because it's basically the way we asked specify to do so in our specify configuration file. But obviously, I advise you to update these configuration files so that it matches so that you have the code that you need. And we also have vectors here in this folder. So as you can see now, we have automated pull requests. So every time you will have something changed in your Figma library and in Figma, specify will detect the change, and if a change is detected, specify GitHub will check if specify has new things, and every 4 hours a potential new pull request will be created like this. That's it. Thank you.